Hello everybody, we're going to go through the set 2 and 3 speed sounds. And remember, when you see this side, you say the sound. And when you see this side, we'll say the rhyme. Let's get started. A. May I play? A. E. What can you see? E. I. Fly high. I. O. Below the snow. O. Oo. Poo at the zoo. Oo. Oo. Look at the book. Oo. R. Start the car. R. Or. Shut the door. Or. Air. That's not fair. Air. Whirl and twirl. Ow. Shout it out. Ow. Oi. Toy for a boy. Oi. E. Cup of tea. E. Oi. Spoil the boy. A. Make a cake. A. I. Nice smile. I. O. Phone home. O. Oo. Huge brute. Oo. Aw. Yawn at dawn. Aw. Air. Care and share. Air. Nurse with a purse. A better letter. Ow. Brown cow. Ow. A. Snail in the rain. A. O. Goat in a boat. O. Oo. Chew the stew. Ire. Fire. Fire. Ear. Hear with your ear. You're. Sure. It's pure. Well done, everybody. Now remember, you can practice these sounds every day. See you later.